In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect any folder or file you want in Windows 11 using multiple methods. Suppose this is the folder you want to password protect. But first of all, you should know that Windows does not have any built-in program to add a password to any files or folders. But it can be done using some simple tricks. At first, we will use WinRAR, which is available on almost every Windows computer. Right-click on your folder. In the pop-up, click on WinRAR. In the new pop-up, click on Add to Archive. A pop-up should appear on your display. In the pop-up, click on Set Password. Now, enter your preferred password in the two boxes without making any changes. After you are done, click on OK and OK again. Here you can see that a compressed file has appeared on the display. Now you can just delete your original file. If we want to access the compressed file from here, you can see that it does not work. If we need to access the file, right-click on the file. In the pop-up, click on WinRAR again. This time, click on Open with WinRAR. Now let's open the folder. If we want to access the files inside the folder, it asks for a password. Even if we want to extract the files, it will ask for a password. Now let's see another method to do this. In the Windows search bar, search for Notepad. Launch the Notepad app. A code script will be available in the descriptions. Paste that code here. Let's maximize the window for better viewing. In the code, select the part that says your password. Now replace this part with your preferred password for the file. After you are done, click on File. In the drop-down menu, click on Save As. Select your file location from here. Now rename the file to locker.bat. Change the file type to all files and click on Save. Now if we go back, you can see a bat file in here. If we double-click on this file, a folder called Locker appears here. Now just cut your classified folder and paste it into the Locker folder. After you are done, double-click on your bat file. In the pop-up, type Y and press Enter on your keyboard. Here you can see that the Locker folder has disappeared from your display. If you want to access your folder, double-click on the bat file again. In the pop-up, type your password and press Enter on your keyboard. Here you can see that the Locker folder has reappeared, and we can access the file again. A reminder that this method does hide your preferred data from plain sight, but it does not provide strong encryption. If you want strong encryption of your data, it is always best to use a third-party app. For this, we will use the 7-Zip application. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for 7-Zip. This is the website we are looking for, and the link to this website will be given in the descriptions. Here you can see some variations of versions for this app. Download the version that is compatible with your computer. In my case, I will download the first one. It may take a few seconds to download the app, depending on your internet speed. After downloading, open it in the file. Double-click on your downloaded file. In the pop-up, click on Install. After the installation is complete, click on Close. Let's go back. Now, right-click on your folder. In the pop-up, click on Show More Options. Now click on 7-Zip. In the pop-up, click on Add to Archive. A pop-up should appear on your display. In the pop-up, change the compression level to 0. Check the Delete File After Compression option. Now in the encryption section, add your password 2 times without making any changes or mistakes. After you are done, click on OK. Here you can see that our folder has been compressed. If we want to access it normally, it doesn't work. If we need to access it, go to the 7-Zip menu just like before. This time, click on Open Archive. Here we open the file. It asks for a password. We can just type the password and press OK. Here you can see that we can access our files now. Following these steps, you can password protect any file or folder you want.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.